Hello everyone, today we unbox the 5TB Seagate portable hard drive. So if you are thinking that you have lots of photos, where to keep your photos or video or your important files, documents, then this is the best solution, because if you will purchase the cloud, then every year you have to pay 10,000 rupees, which is more than very costly. So it is always advisable that if you will have a portable hard drive, then you can store everything means everything, starting from photo, video, like everything, even your marriage CD, like whatnot, everything you can store. So you can see this is a 5TB hard drive. So it would be costing around 21,999, but we purchased from Amazon, so we got a deal of 16,000. So this is not a sponsored video, so I have used this and I feel it better, so I thought I will share with you. So if you like, you can also buy it. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends and family. I am going to share the honest review of this hard drive, so you can watch till the end of this video to know each and every details, what all facility, what all benefits, like why you have to choose the Seagate comparing to other hard drive, everything you will get. So watch till the end of this video. So this is password protected. That means no one can access your photos or videos or important files until you will give the password. But don't forget your password, because it is important. Again, it will be a problem if you will forget. So give the password which you will remember every time. And other one is, so it is both it is compatible with Apple and Windows. So this is the main advantage. And you can see, and the weight is, it's very lightweight. Previously hard drive was very heavy, but this one is very lightweight. It's really a portable, the name as it suggests, it is really a portable hard drive. You can see this is very lightweight, and they will provide one wire with that. So with the wire, the two end, so one end you have to connect with this portable hard drive, and other is you have to connect with your laptop. So this is really a very lightweight. You can see all the details, everything. So this is a imported thing. So but the warranty also, you will see in Amazon they will provide the extra warranty. If you like, you can take the extra warranty, but they have the country code, everything, so you can get like as per your country. If it is in India, so it is 3 years manufacturing. If it is other country, then it's differ from country to country. So if you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends.